ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। So in last class we have finished this Drunkara Punah Purvasya Yanvaktavya. This Vartika we have seen that the order was Achishnu Dhatu Bhumai Voryam Vangau. This particular sutra is applicable whenever Dhatu is ending with Ikara Ukara and getting connected with Ajadi Pratyaya. If the Anga is Anekach ending with Ikara and there is no Dhatu Avayava Sanyoga before that Ikara does not get Yang Adesha, but it gets Yan Adesha by Hiranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya. Similar to this sutra, there was another sutra that was this Osupi, this Ukaranta Dhatu. That Ukara which is at the end of Dhatu, not preceded by Dhatu Avayava Sanyoga, whole Anga is Anekach getting connected with Ajadi Supratyaya. That time also Yan Adesha will happen and not Yang. The Apwada for this was that Varshabhvascha, this sutra was there. Sutra said that in the case of Varshabhu, Nabhu Sudhiyoho, this sutra came, that Yan will not happen in the case of this Bhu and Sudhi, these two words. Sudhi is for Ikaranta Dhatu, Bhu is for Ukaranta Bhu Dhatu. So in the case of Bhu, this will not happen. Means what? Yanadesha will not happen. It was said for Bhu Dhatu, therefore other Dhatus, there the Yanadesha happens. That Sulu, Ulu, these Sulu, Ullu, these words we decline, we do Yanadesha. Whereas when we decline this Bhu Dhatu, Ukaranta Bhu Dhatu form, then like Swabhu, Swabhuhu, Swabhuau, Swabhuaha. So in the case of Bhu, Yanadesha will not happen. Nabhu Sudhiyoho Yan Syat, apitu Yang Uang Adesho Staha. Again, Varshabhvascha, this sutra comes and they said that in the case of Varshabhu Shabda, do Yana Adesha. In the case of Drun, Kara and Punaha Purva, the Anga is having Drun Shabda, Kara Shabda or Punaha Shabda as the first word in that whole word. Then, in that situation also, you do Yana Adesha. By saying Nabhu Sudhiyoho, all Shabdas whichever were coined using this Bhu Dhatu, there that Yana Adesha was Prapta and it was Nishiddha by the Nabhu Sudhiyoho. But again, from that Nishedha, few forms were again separated that no, in the case of Bhu only, but do Yana Adesha when it comes to Varshabhu, when it comes to Drunbhu, when it comes to Karabhu and Punarbhu. That's what was the topic. Now, Varshabhu Shabda, here the Osupi Sutra we saw, Dhatvavaya Sanyoga Purva Nabhavati Urnaha Tadanto Yo Dhatus Tadantasya Anekacha Angasya and Achisupi Khalapu, then this Sulu, Ullu, these shabdas we saw. Then Swabhu Shabda we saw, where Nabhu Sudhiyoho, this sutra is applied and Yang Adesh, Uvang Adesha is done. But when it came to Varshabhu, then we came to the next sutra, which is this Varshabhvascha. Yeah, Varshabhvascha. And we saw that Asya Yan Vaktavya or Asya Yan Syat Achisupi. And we did the Yanadesha. We got the form Varshabhuhu, Varshabhvo, Varshabhva, Varshabhvam, Varshabhvo, Varshabhvah. And thus it was declined. When it came to Drunbhu, Drunbhu was the one word. Drunbhu, Vartika came. Drunkara Punah Purvasya Bhuvaha Yan Vaktavya. In the case of Drun, Kara and Punaha Purva, if that is, these words are the Purva Shabda in the whole Anga. And Bhu is there, that Uttaranga. There Yana Adesha will happen. That was the meaning of this Vartika. Drunkara Punah Purvasya Yan Vaktavya. And we declined. We declined this Drunbhu Shabda. Drunbhu, Drunbho, Drunbha. The same forms as this Varshabhu Shabda has. Just Yanadesha, everywhere, wherever we see the Ajadi Pratyaya, do Yanadesha. No Ikoyanachi, no Prathamayo Purva Savarna, nothing, just simple Yanadesha we have to do. Just remembering that this Yanadesha is not coming because of Ikoyanachi, but because of this particular sutra. Varshabhvascha and the Vartika. So, Karabhu, Evam Karabhu. So, Karabhu also will be declined in the same way. Karabhu, Karabhau, Karabhva, Karabhvam, Karabhvau, Karabhva, Karabhva, Karabve, Karabhva, Karabhva, Karabvi, Karabho, Karabho, Karabhvam, He Karabhu, He Karabho, He Karabhva. Then Haladi Pratyayas are there, and it will be just as it is, no change. So till this portion is clear, the Vartika is clear, Vartika Sutra is clear.
Yes, ji. Yes, ji.
So we will move to the next Shabda. Now, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabda is over now. Now, after Ukara, Rukaranta Shabda will start. Now, Dhatru is the Rukaranta Shabda. We have already seen the Prakriya for Rukaranta Shabda. Because of this Kroshtu Shabda gets Trijvat Bhava. Trij Pratyay is Rukaranta. Therefore, the Kroshtu was becoming Kroshtru, which is Rukaranta form, and Prakriya we had seen for it. So therefore, this suddenly it has relevance how then no Prakriya and suddenly Dhatru Shabda is coming. So Prakriya we have already seen. We are just going to decline it. So Dhatru Shabda, the Prathama Vibhakti Ek Vachana is given Dhata, and He Dhatah, Dhataro, Dhatarah. So Dhata, this form we will decline. So let's see what is the Prakriya. Here I will type. Dhatru. So from Dhatra is the Pratipadika, Dhata. Dhatru means the Brahmadev. What will be the Prakriya for Dhatru Shabda now?
Pradushanas Hurudam Nehasancha.
Rudushanas Purudamso Neha Sancha. This Ra will be replaced by Ana.
Yes.
Rudushanas. So so nerasach. Anang adesha happened. Dhat an sa. Nga will disappear. Halantyam tasya lopah. Also will disappear. Upadeshajan nasikait, and we will get an sa. In this situation, what will be the next step?
I will change into Dirgha, Aptrantruch, Swastru, Naptru, Neshtru, Tvashtru, Kshatru, Hotru, Potru, Prashatrunam.
So Aptrantruch, this particular sutra will come. Aptrantruch, Swastru, Naptru, Neshtru, Tvashtru, Kshatru, Hotru, Potru, Prashatrunam. So here Upadha Dirgha will take place. Reason, the nimitta is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Sarvanamasthana, that too Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya should be there in front of it, and therefore it becomes Dirgha. So Aptrun Putra Upadha Dirgha. Dhatansa. Now
Sa will get Lopa by Halangyabhyo Dirghat Sutisya Pruktam Hal.
Alnyabhyo Dirghat Sutisya Pruktam Hal. Etat ityasya apruktam hal lupyate. So that will disappear. Dhatan. Next.
Lopa by Lopo Pratipadikantas.
Lopa Prati. Of Pratipadika. That Pratipadika which is named as Pada will get this. If there is na at the end, we get the final form Dhata. Dhata. Dhana. Au. What will happen here?
By Ritongi Sarvanamasthana Yoho, you get Guna.
No, Ru will be replaced by Guna, which will come with A. A will come with R. So we will get
Urandrapara.
Dhata or Urandrapara. Correct. Out. So, Ni Sarva Namasthanayoho. And then Urandrapara. Next.
Upadha Dirgha.
Upadha Dirgha.
Aptrantruch.
Dhata. R O. Final form is Dhata Rau. Correct. Dhatru Dhanajas.
Same Prakriya.
Yes. Dhatru Ru will be replaced by Ar by Rutongi Sarvanamasthana. It is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. So Dhatar Au Te. Dhatar As. Dhatar As. Sutra is Ruto Ni Sarva Namayoho. Then Dhatar As. Sutra is Aptrantruch Upadha Dirgha Next. What will happen next? And we will get Dhatar. Dhatru. Dhanam.
The same prakriya
will happen. We will get Dhata.
Dhatarara.
Dhataram. Dhana. Out. So will disappear. Ru will be replaced by ar by Ritangi Sarvanama Sthanayo. Dhatar au Aptruntruk Sasrun Aptrun Ishtrutvashtru Kshatru Trubotru Prashastronam by that. Upadha Dirgha Sarvanama Sthane Pratyapare. Dhata. Dhatar au, and then final form will be Dhataro. Dhataro. Shas. Sha will disappear by Lashakva Tadhite. As will remain. Then Ru will be replaced by what will happen here? Prakriya will change here.
Pratamayoho Purva Savarna.
Pratamayoho Purva Savarna. Here the Pratamayoho Purva Savarna will be applied. So Dhat Ru Dhana As Dhat Ru will disappear. Ru will come. Then there is Sa. There is Pratamayoho Savarna. Now what will happen here?
Tasmat shasoho nah punsi.
Tasmat shasoho nah punsi. Now Purva Dirgha is done. So Shasaha Sasya Nasyat. Tasmat shasoho punsi. So gets replaced by Na. Form is ready. Dhatrun. Dhataro, Dhatarah, Dhataram, Dhataro, Dhatrun. Dhatru. Will disappear by Chutu. Tasya Lopaha. Dhatru A. What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Is ready. Dhatra. Dhatru Bhyam. No Vishishta Prakriya. Tasmat. Just simple form. Bhyam. This no Prakriya, just Sasalushoruhu Sarvasana Visarjaniya. Form is ready. Dhatru Bhi. Dhatru Dhanange. Happen here. Nga will disappear by Lashako Tadjite. Dhatru A. In that situation, Eco energy. Dhatre. Am I right? Dhatre only, na? No Prakriya. Eco energy.
But other forms we will get like
Means?
Kroshtu and Kroshtu. It did both.
Na. Kroshtu Shabda is originally Ukaranta Shabda. It is not Rikaranta. It becomes, or it gets the Trujvat Bhava. It becomes like Rikaranta. Sometimes always, sometimes optionally. This Shabda is always Rikaranta Shabda. There is nothing like that optional.
Okay.
It is by birth it is Rakaranta. No optional forms. Dhatre simply. Then Dhatra, then Bhyam, Dhatra Bhyam, Dhatra, then Bhyas. Form is ready. Dhatrubhya. Sasayushoro Kharavasanur Visarjaniya. Dhatru Dhanangasi लशक्वतद्धिते तस्य लोपः उपदेशयोन्नासिक इत् तस्य लोपः धातृ. Then what will happen here next?
Ruta ut. I will change into ur. Ruta ut.
What will be replaced by what?
I will replace by
पूर्वपरयोः एक आदेश.
And पूर्वपरयोः एकादेश. It is ekadesha. Dhat, r. Here ngasingasoho ati pare sati ऋतः अति परे सति पूर्वपरयोः ut ekadesha स्यात्. That's how the full meaning will come out. So dhata r will also disappear, a will also disappear. Dhata u will come along with ra because puran raparaha is sa. Now this ur means u has come in the place of both the letters. Sutra is Rita Ut. Now what will happen? Okay. Ratsasya. What will Ratsasya do?
संयोगान्तस्य लोपः.
Correct. Sanyogantasya. By Sanyogantasya lopa, also lopa is prapta, but then what does Ratsasya do? Sanyogantasya lopa.
Padanta sakara eva lopaha.
Okay.
Padanta sakara alone will get lopa.
No. No, not exactly.
After refa.
If sanyoga
After
is
refa.
of refa and some other consonant, there only sa, the other consonant, if the sa is there, then only this sanyogantasya lopa will take place. If there is some other consonant after refa and that sanyoga is there, then the sanyogantasya lopa will not be applicable. That was the niyama. Ratsasya, sa gets disappeared. Now what will happen?
करवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः.
Karavasanayar-visarjaniya. Dhatra Bhyam, form is ready. Dhatra Bhyam. No prakriya. Dhatra. Yes. Ready. Dhatra Bhyam. Dhatra Dhana Mas. What will be the prakriya? It will be same, but what will be prakriya? Correct. लशक उत्तर देते. Both of them will be disappearing because of the Rutaut is Ekapuro Puro. It comes in that Adhikara. So Dhata 0 0 स उर उत रपरः, you have to remember run रपरः तुर्स तुर स will disappear. Sutra is ratsasya. Sutra is one more sutra. Sasavishoro kharavasanayor visarjaniyah.
Ji, where is Sasajishorohu?
Oh, sorry. Only kharavasanayor visarjaniyah. Sakshamatam. kharavasanayor visarjaniyah. Kharavasanayor visarjaniyah. Atra Suppose what will happen here?
Eco energy.
Energy. Kharavasanayor visarjaniyah eco energy. Then here it will be Sasavishoro. Next, Dhatru. Then Am. What will happen here? Dhatru, then Am.
We can do Rasva Nadhyapo Nut.
Okay. So we will do Nutagama. Nadya. Rasvanadya. Dhatru. Am. Now
It will get Natva. Atkupva.
No, by Atkupang we have not seen anything turn na into na so far. But before that,
there is a Vartika is also there, no? Ritasya Nut. No, not. I don't remember, but all Rikaranta Shabda will get Nakara Adesha.
There is Vartika, we are going to see that. Before that, one more sutra is applied. That sutra we can see and then we can go to that.
Nami.
Nami. That. Garu. Nam. Sutra is Nami Ajantangasthi. Now, through here it comes. Ruvarnan Nasyanatvam Vachyam is Vartika. After Ruvarna, Na will turn into Na. Means everywhere, wherever the Vartika, the Artha of this Vartika is, wherever there is Ruvarna and then Na is there in front of it, that Na will turn into Na. Now, this we have to fit in the sutra where the Natva is asked to be done. So, Atkupvangnum Vyavayepi, in that sutra also, we have to add this Ruvarnan Nasyanatvam Vachyam. Then this Rashabdham Nonah Samanapade, there also we have to add this Ruvarna Nasyanatvam Vacham. So Ra, Sha and Ruvarnat Api Nasyanatvam. So Vacham, it shall be said like this, or it should be said like this. That is the meaning of Vartika. So here there is Ruvarna, and after Ruvarna, Na will turn into Na, and we will get from this. This is the form, final form. I have not written there. Dhatruna. Okay. Dhatruna, and then let's here only I will write. Dhatra, Dhana, Ni. What will happen here? Shashti Bahuvachan is over.
Equal.
Guna will happen, Ritonish.
What will happen?
Ritong is Sarvanamasthanayoho. Ni is also there.
Ritah, Ni, Sarvanamasthana. Ni and Sarvanamasthana, these are the two. So here it is Ni Pratyaya. Ru will be replaced by A. Uranrapara will happen. Is there. Sutra is Ni Sarvanamasthanayoho. Ritong is Sarvanamasthana. Then Uranrapara. Form is ready. Dhatari. Dhatru. Here. What will happen?
Eco energy.
Eco energy. Dhatro. Then Sasalshoro Kharavasana Visarjanya Dhatro. Dhatra Dhana Sup. The Prakriya.
Adesha Pratyaya.
Adesha Pratyayo. Dhatrushu. This is the form. Now comes the Dhatra Dhana Su. Sambodhana. What will be the Sambodhana?
Rasrasya Gunaha.
Okay.
And after.
Ritoni Sarvanamasthanayoho.
No.
Rito Ni Sarvanamasthanayoho is the sutra which will be applicable here. Ru will be replaced by Guna. Then next will but will that sutra not be applicable? Aptrun truch Swasru Naptru Nishtru Twashtru Shatru Hotru Potru Prashastronam Upadha Dirgha.
No.
Then
There Asambuddhe word is there.
Hmm?
Will it be applied to sambuddhi also?
In sambuddhi it will not be applicable. Asambuddha sarvanamasthane it is said. So will disappear by halnyabhyo al su dhatar. Then next will be dhatah. खरवसानयोर विसर्जनीयः. संबोधन हे we will put. धातृ then au. What will be the prakriya? द्विवचन.
Ritogi sarvanamaskanayo.
Ritongi sarvanamasthanayo or will come. How is there? Sutra is then
Upada Dirgha happens here.
the R by Aptrun Upada Dirgha. Next form is ready. Dhataro. And it is because of it is the pratyaya for sambodhana. So he dhataro. Atru then jas. Ja will disappear by chutu. As will remain. Dhat ru will be replaced by
Ar.
As sutra is sarvanamasthanayoho. Ata here now. Same prakriya.
Apridrich. So Shuru Karavasana Sarjaniya Dhatarah. Sambodhana therefore he Dhatarah. Dhatru Shabda is over. Ji Hari. Why we should not do Rasvasya Gunaha? Because that is specific for Sambodhanam, right?
Yes. Just a second. I will also make sure that why it will not happen. First. This is para, so we will take this paratvat. This is 73110. This is Rasvasya Guna 108. Rasvasya Gunaha ऋतोंगि सर्वनामस्थानयोः is the later one. Paratvat ऋतोंगि सर्वनामस्थानयोः. Now this ऋत ऋदन्तात् अंगात् सर्वनामस्थाने परे ङि प्रत्यये परे च दस गुणः आदेशः भवति, and there it is ह्रस्व and sambodhana, it is said like that. Both of them are doing the same work, but we will choose this one because this is para. One more condition is there. There is a hierarchy of those conditions. Para, nitya, antaranga, apavada. So nitya is krita krita prasangi. Here it does not happen. That does not occur here. But antaranga vichara can be done here. But antaranga vichara we can keep aside. Antaranga vichara means that which requires less conditions, means that the work which happens with less conditions compared to other, that one will be given the preference. That which requires more conditions, that which has more conditions is bahiranga. That which requires less conditions is antaranga. And again that antaranga vichara, antaranga bahiranga continues. But anyway, we don't need, for now we can do the okay, both of them. Among them we can choose the later one because the paratvat, this reason we can give here. Antarangatvat also we can give, but we will keep that aside.
No, antarangatvat, if you do for Ritongi Sarvanamastanayoho, there are more conditions compared to Rasvasya Gunaga. Rasvasya Gunaga, there is only one Rasva, that's all. Here it should be either Sarvanamastama, it should be Rikaranta Shabda. There are more conditions, right?
Yes.
So, Vipratishede Parankari.
Actually, this Vipratishede Param Karyam compared to this Para Karya, Antaranga Karya is Baliyan. Para Nitya Antaranga Apavadanam Uttarottaram Baliya. So among these, if Para and Nitya is there, Nitya will be done. Para Nitya Antaranga will be done. The Para also will be avoided. Nitya also will be avoided. Antaranga will be kept. Para Nitya Antaranga Apavada. If Apavada is there, then Para, Nitya and Antaranga, all of them will be kept aside and Apavada will be done. But then Antaranga Vichara goes further. Antarangatva is not very specific with, okay, this is the Antarangatva. So Antarangatva has different conditions and it goes like that. One Antarangatva is this. Alpapekshatvam, Antarangatvam, Bahvapekshatvam, Bahirangatvam. That's how it goes. But still means I have doubt with this form. I'm really not sure about this. Why here it is? Sometimes 2, 2, 3, 3. Some examples are with Para also, they are Nitya also, they are Antaranga also, and that's how they take place. But with this particular example, I am not sure. I will read more and then I will tell in the next class. For now, I can just tell that no, only this Rutongi Sarvanamasthanayo only is applied. I'm not really sure about the. We can take this Antaranga Vichara or just Para. Why we are taking Para? One is Para, okay, this is Paratvat. But Antaranga Vichara we will be able to apply here or not, I am not sure. I will see once the Tika Granthas. So, should we take the next form? No, first yes, once I will write this full Shabda. Ata, Dhataro, Dhatarah, Dhata, Ram, Dhataro, धातृन् धाता धातृभ्यां धातृभिः धात्रे धातृभ्यां धातु ऋतौत् धातृभ्यां धातृभ्यः धातु अगेन ऋतौत् णचि धातृः धातॄणां वर्णान् नस्यणत्वं वाच्यं that new article we saw. Then dhatari ni sarvanama sthanam, it is said ni is also included to bring the guna, therefore guna comes, dhatari happens, dhatruho adesha pratyayoho dhatrushu. Then ये धातः uptruntrach, this particular sutra is not applicable and upadha dirgha does not take place in the case of sambuddhi because the condition is asambuddha sarvanama sthane. He tarav, here it will happen because it is asambuddhi and it is sarvanama sthana, asambuddhi sarvanama sthana. So dhatru shabda is over. धाता हे धातः धातारव धातारः रुवर्णान्नस्यणत्वं वाच्यं वार्तिक विषय धातॄणां remaining form we solved. So this much is clear. Evam naptradayah. So in that sutra there was list up, trun, truch, swasru, naptru, neshtru, tvashtru, kshatru, hotru, potru, prashastrunam. All these shabdas will be declined in the same manner, just like this dhatru is declined in the same way. All these aptru, naptru, tvashtru, kshatru, hotru, potru, swasru, prashastru, these words will be declined. Okay, that is the meaning of this evam naptradaya. So naptru, when we want to decline, naptaro naptarah, or just read, we can read the napta naptaro naptarah naptaram naptaro naptrun naptra naptrubhyam naptrubhi naptre naptrubhyam naptrubhya naptu naptrubhyam naptrubhya naptu naptro naptranam naptari naptro naptrushu he napta he naptaro he naptaro. Now this line next, this is the line naptradi grahanam tu or naptradi grahanam vyutpatti pakshe niyamartham. This is the statement made by Granthakara. Now what is this? So let's understand this. The Unadi Sutras, we had seen already the vichar of Unadi Sutra. Unadi Sutras are not written by Maharshi Paniniji. Some people say it is the work of Paniniji, but no, it is some grammarians say that it is those sutras are already, those were already existing. So Maharshi Paniniji refers Unadi Sutras sometimes. Sometimes he just refers a few words, or sometimes he refers the particular sutra, particular karya of Unadi Sutras. But there is not the confirmed opinion that this is of Paniniji, this is not of Paniniji. But these are the Unadi Sutras. Now basically what these Unadi Sutras do, they will talk about the pratyas which are connected to dhatus. So there are two types of pratyas which we connect to dhatus. One is ting pratyas and another is the krit pratyas. Ting pratyas are very clear. They come in the place of lakara. They are tiptasji, siptastam, ibvasmastatanja, thasathanvo, midgohi, 18 pratyas are there, and that is very clear. Only 18. But krit pratyas are there many in number. So the few Krut Pratyas, Maharishi Panini talks about Shatru is there, Shanach is there, Tva, Tumulya. These Pratyas are discussed by Maharishi Panini, and that particular Prakarana is named as Kridanta Prakarana or Krut Pratyanta Prakarana. Krut Pratyaya Prakarana. Now these Unadi Pratyas are similar to these Krut Pratyas. This Nul Truchau, this Truch Pratyaya is discussed by Maharishi Panini also. And the same Truch Pratyaya is discussed in Unadi Pratyayas also. Means Unadi Sutras also will talk about Truch Pratyaya. Maharishi Panini is also talking about Truch Pratyaya, and these Unadi Sutras will also talk about Truch Pratyayas. Unadi Sutra, this is separate set of Sutra, and this Sutra of Ashtadhyayi which talks about Truch is separate. Now the Sutra which talks about this Truch Pratyaya in Ashtadhyayi, that Prakarana is Kridanta Prakarana, Krut Pratyanta Prakarana, and this is Unadi Pratyaya. If at all we want to consider Unadi Pratyayas, what type of Pratyayas are those? We can say these are kind of Krut Pratyayas. Okay. Now using Krut Pratyaya, what we do? We derive or we coin a noun. Particular noun is coined, participle, the participle which is having characteristics of adjectives, that type of words we derive using Krut Pratyayas. Unadi Pratyayas also are similar to Krut Pratyayas. We will get the same forms. The verbal nouns, gerunds, all these things we will get from them. Now, because Unadi Pratyayas are used, and Miss Unadi Sutras are considered, these are authentic sutras, and the Pratyayas are really given by these Unadi Sutras, and then Prakriya happens, and then words are coined. This is one opinion. Okay, that Unadi Pratyayas are given recognition, and the work of Unadi Sutras is accepted by scholars. Yes, the work given or discussed by Unadi Sutras is authentic, or it is there. And then we can coin literally the words using Dhatu, using Unadi Pratyaya, we can coin new word. This is one opinion. Some grammarians, they do not recognize this. They say that the words which are coined using Unadi Sutras, and no need of that, those words are already there. Means those are not Vyutpanna. So when I say Vakta, then Vakta is Vyutpanna because I am using Truch Pratyaya discussed by Maharishi Panini's Sutra. So it is Vyutpanna Shabda. If I am coining one particular word using Unadi Pratyayas, some grammarians say that no need of giving the Vyutpatti of that particular word using Unadi Sutra. Rather, you accept that word as it is. It is not Vyutpanna. Vyutpanna means Prakriti and Pratyaya, after having done the process of Prakriti and Pratyaya. So one Paksha is Vyutpanna Paksha, one Paksha is Avyutpanna Paksha. Vyutpanna Pratipadika Paksha, Avyutpanna Pratipadika Paksha. Some grammarians say that even Rama Shabda is Vyutpanna. Some grammarians say that Rama Shabda is Avyutpanna. If it is Vyutpanna, then we have to say the Pratipadik Saudhnya will be given to Rama Shabda by Krutadhita Samasascha. If it is Avyutpanna, then the Arthavada Dhatura Pratyaya Pratipadikam by this sutra, Pratipadik Saudhnya will be given. But these are the two Pakshas, Vyutpanna and Avyutpanna. Vyutpatti Paksha, Avyutpatti Paksha. Some do not recognize Unadi Sutra, their Karya and Vyutpatti. Some recognize their Karya and consider them as Vyutpatta, is Vyutpatti, or they are the Vyutpatti of those Shabdas. Now these are the words. These are three sutras from Unadi Sutras. Truntruchau Shansik Shadadibhyas Saudhyayan Chanitau Bahulamanyyatrapi Naptru Neštru Tvastru Hotru Potru Bhratru Jamatru Matru Matru Pitru Duhitru. These words, as per the Unadi Sutras, are Trunanta Trujanta. Some of them are ending with Trun, they are ending with Truch. Okay, that is the meaning of these three sutras. Now, here I list. Shastru, Shastru, Kshatru, Kshotru, Prashastru, Unyatru, Pratihartru, Udgatru. These are the words coined using this particular sutra. Truntrucha shamsi shadadibhyas saudnyan chanito. Bahulamanyatrapi manta hanta, these two words. And then this particular sutra is doing nipata. It is not giving the prakriya, but it is saying that understand this naptru, neštru, tvastru, hotru, potru, bhratru, jamatru, matru, matru, drutru, pitru, duhitru, these words as trijanta. Understand them as trijanta or consider them as trijanta. Again, that means they are becoming trijanta forms. So these are the around 20 words. 20 words which are ending with ru. If Vyutpatti Paksha is there, means those who consider that yes, there is the prakriya exists described by Unadi Sutras, then these words are Trijanta. Because Prakriti is accepted, Trij Pratyay is accepted, Prakriya is accepted, and the word is coined, this particular statement is accepted. This is Vyutpatti Paksha. As per the Vyutpatti Paksha, all these words become Trij Pratyayanta. Correct? These words are Trij Pratyayanta. Now those who do not recognize the work of Unadi Sutras, for them these words are not Prakriti and Pratyay, then Prakriya, and then the Siddha Shabda which is Vyutpanna. No, they say that Naptru Shabda is Naptru Shabda. It is not Trijanta. It is as it is. That is its Prakriti. That is the original nature. That exists as it is. Tvashtru is Tvashtru, Hotru is Hotru. These are the words as it is existing. There is no as such Prakriya of Trijanta form. So for them, these are not Trij Pratyayanta. For some, they are Trij Pratyayanta. Those for whom those are not Trij Pratyayanta, they are Avyutpatti Paksha. Those for whom these words are Trij Pratyayanta, they are Vyutpatti Paksha. The Pakshas are clear? No. Pakshas are clear? What is Vyutpatti, Avyutpatti Paksha? Ji?
Just repeat it once again.
These okay. In short, I will repeat. Unadi Sutras are there. These are kind of, take for example, there is Krut Pratyayanta, Krut Pratyaya Sutras, Krudanta Prakarana Sutras. From them, a set of sutras is separated. Similar work is done by Krut Pratyaya Sutras and Unadi Pratyaya Sutras also. The forms which are derived at the end, those are similar because those are derived using dhatus. The forms which we derive using dhatu and krut pratyayas are participles, gerunds, these types of words, adjectives. These words are derived. Unadi pratyayas, this Unadi Sutra, using Unadi Sutras also, we coin the same types of words. So these words are derived from dhatus, then they will become noun. Okay. Now Krut Sutras, the Krut Pratyayas which are discussed in the Ashtadhyayi, these sutras are taken as Maharshi Paniniji's sutras. There any word is coined using those sutras, that is Vyutpatti, that is accepted. Even Unadi Sutras, using Unadi Sutras also, we coin new words. But some grammarians do not recognize the work of Unadi Sutras. So if any word is derived using Unadi Sutra, just like Lakshya Mut, this Laksha Dhatu and Mut Pratyay is used and Lakshmi word is coined. Those who recognize the authenticity of these Unadi Sutras, they say that yes, these sutras are true, such and such Pratyayas exist and Prakriya is true, which is discussed by Unadi Sutras. So Lakshmi Shabda for them will be Vyutpanna. Means there is one Prakriti, then Pratyaya, and the word is coined using Unadi Sutras. Whereas there is another Paksha, it says that, see, no such sutra exists in Ashtadhyayi. We do not take the authenticity of this Unadi Sutras. So Lakshmi Shabda is not Vyutpanna. Lakshmi Shabda is as it is. It is not coined. These are two Pakshas. Vyutpatti Paksha, Avyutpatti Paksha. So Vyutpatti Paksha will say that this word exists as it is. It is not coined. But if it is using Panini Sutra, then they will say it is Vyutpanna Shabda. But if it is using Unadi Sutra, they will not accept it as Vyutpanna. Now this is Vyutpatti, Avyutpatti, or Vyutpanna Paksha, Avyutpanna Paksha. This Naptru, Aptru, these Shabdas are there. The Avyutpatti Paksha, those who do not recognize the work of Unadi Sutras, for them, Aptru, Naptru, these words are Avyutpanna. No such Trich Pratyay exists because it is not given by Maharshi Panini. If at all we want to derive any word Aptru, Naptru, we will have to take the support of Unadi Sutras. But those grammarians who do not recognize Unadi Sutras, these words are Avyutpanna. Okay. So these 20 words for Avyutpanna Paksha, because for them these sutras are not authentic, these sutras are not of Maharshi Panini, no Vyutpatti, no words are Vyutpanna. These are Avyutpanna Shabdas. Those who take the opinion of Unadi Sutras, they recognize Unadi Sutras Karya. Then for them these same 20 words are Vyutpanna. For Avyutpanna Paksha, it is Avyutpanna Shabdas. For those who accept Unadi Sutra's authenticity, they say that these are Vyutpanna Shabdas. These are the two different Pakshas. Now it is okay, Swamiji?
Yes.
Now, Ji Purna ji, you.
No, it is clear.
Now, Niyama is done, but that Niyama we will see in the next class. We will just keep these Pakshas in our mind. Naptradhigranam Vyutpatti Paksha Niyamartham. That Niyama Sharira we will see in the next class. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, so we will do Shanti Patha. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swami. Hari Om.
Sorry.
So the result of using this Vyutpatti or Avyutpatti Paksha, you will tell in next class.
This, because
How
this,
is it changing the Prakriya, you will tell next time.
it's not changing Prakriya. This Vartika should have come in the this Aptrundrush Swasrun Aptrunashtrut. There itself it should have come.
Okay.
But it has come. But we will see the reasons, etc. That will get.
It is not going to change form because some people consider it Vyutpanna, some people consider it Avyutpanna. It is not going to change the form.
The Prakriya what we have done so far, words we have derived, it is not disturbing it.
Okay.
That is going to be there as it is. Just this is for explanations.
Okay. Hari Om Ji.
Very good.